Hello everyone, it's Kylie, and today we're going to be making brownies. So we're going to mix a few ingredients before we can put the brownies in the oven. So basically, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to tie your hair back in like a ponytail, like a hair bun, because if you don't, then your hair is going to get in your food. But you know, I'm too stupid and too rich to do it on my own, so I have my personal assistant, Annie. So she's tying my hair right now because I don't know how to do it myself. Okay, so what you're going to want to do first is you're going to want to add in 1 egg. And so basically, then you're going to want to add 1 cup of flour. Oh man, I can't. Okay, so this is a 1/2 cup of flour I need. I'm sorry, I'm not good with ingredients. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so you're gonna want to add a 1/2 cup of flour, and then you're gonna add in a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, a 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I think that's about it. Oh wait, I forgot some of the most important ingredients. A piece of melon, 3 mushrooms, a little bit of hot sauce, some cran grape juice, Dawn dish soap, hair dye, and that's it. There is your finished brownies, and now to mix it. Okay guys, so I realized that like half the time that I was mixing, and then when I put it inside of the little pan and put it in the oven, that my camera actually died. And so now it's back to life again, and you know, the brownies are ready to go, so we're gonna put them in the oven. Hey guys, so a while back I realized that I forgot to add milk, and so I put some milk in, and then I got a knife and I cut the pieces. There's still a couple of them in there. You can see the little bumps. And so yeah, we mixed it together, and we're gonna put it inside of the oven once we're ready. Okay, now all we have to do is wait for the oven to preheat, and then we put the brownies inside of the oven. Okay guys, so the brownies are ready, so all we need to do is get a spatula and take one of them out. So the middle one is the squishiest, and I already touched it. And so now we are going to try it.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching.
If you liked the video, please leave a like down below and comment down below what videos you want to see us make in the future. And subscribe to join our channel and see all of our videos that we post. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!